Hi friends, today we will just look into the topic called arrays. So let's start with arrays. What is an array? So array is a container, we can call it as container. Array is a group of space which collects the group of elements and store into one single box. It accepts all the data of similar data type, so all the elements of similar data type. So if I declare the array of integer, so it accepts all the integer values. So if I declare the array of string type, it accepts only string, and character, it accepts only character type. So why we make use of arrays? So as we know that there are many situations where we want to store group of elements at one place and later we want to use it. That's the reason why we make use of arrays. So the main drawback of arrays are fixed in size, so we can't increase the size further once we declare the array. So this is a container, and so if I declare the array of size 5, so my container will have 5 spaces, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the 5 spaces. So how it will start? Let me start with array size. So always remember guys, the size of an array always starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the size. Let me write here. Length, or we can call it as length. Length always starts from 1. We're coming to index. So in array, index will always starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. So this is index. Next, so how we can declare the array? So it's very simple. We can declare the array declaration. So if I am declaring the array of int array equal to name, numbers equal to new int of 5. Okay, so we had created the array of length 5, but we're coming while iterating, I just want to iterate based on the index. So array, the storage will takes place based on the index, and retrieving will take place based on the index. While declaring the array, it takes place based on the length. So length starts from the 1, index always starts from the 0. Okay, let's jump into a quick program. Let's see one program how arrays are declared, how to iterate the arrays. New package, arrays, new Java class, array declaration. Okay, here let me write my public static, my main method, main string array args. Okay, now I'm declaring array, integer type of array, numbers equal to new int array of size 5. So I want to store the numbers into this. So numbers, as I mentioned, the storage will always takes place based on the index. Okay, next let me quickly copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As length is 5, index will end at 4 because it started from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we want to Now we want to retrieve the values inside the array. So we can retrieve, so using the for loop for int index, array index starts from 0 comma index less than numbers dot length comma index plus plus. Okay, so yeah, we just given the length, numbers dot length. What is the length? 5. So index started from 0 and where it ends, it's 4, because 5 less than 5 it's false, so it breaks here. Let me print my array. System dot out dot println numbers of index. Okay, let's execute this program. Oh sorry, let's execute this. Okay, as we can see, it has printed all the numbers first, so I just used the print instead of println. It printed in single line. Let's change it to println. Let's execute this. As we can see, 1 2 3 4 5. Is there any other way to declare the array? Yes, we can declare the array based on integers of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what is the output? If I execute the output will be this same: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So yeah, based on the number of values we are provided, array will automatically create takes its length and creates the memory area. So this is how we can declare the array and we can iterate over the array. So first point, we need to remember that arrays are fixed in size, no further increment of the size. Next, array index start from 0. By coming to length, it start from 1. These are the major things we need to remember. While coming to iteration part, arrays are faster where compared to the other things. Yeah, thank you friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.